Hey everyone, it is cruise day. Judy and I are here. You excited?
I'm excited.
We're going on Norwegian Luna today. It's 8:30 in the morning. We have a pickup by Uber at 9:30. We're going to head over. We'll let you know how traffic is. Sometimes on the weekends it gets a little crazy. We'll see what it is. Worst case scenario, as soon as we get into the port area and we get over the bridge, we'll have them drop us off.
Okay.
We'll huff it over there. That's it. We're going to have a wonderful day. We are staying at the Hyatt Regency. We did a whole video on the Travels channel about this hotel. You can go check it out. We went to Hell's Kitchen last night. Did you like that?
That is amazing. We have to go back.
It was so good. You get the beef Wellington, you get the scallops, everything you've ever seen on the show. We had the lobster risotto, the sticky toffee pudding. Everything was great. So we are going to head on NCL Luna. We'll have videos all week of the entertainment. Today's Embarkation Day, obviously. And then the food, all the fun things going on. So follow us for more. Thank you so much for watching today, and come join us on NCL Luna. Let's go. All right, everyone, welcome to cabin 5195 on board the beautiful brand new Norwegian Luna. As you walk in the door here, you have your little panel right away where you have to put your key card in. Then you have all your little controls there for your temperature and everything, light switches. And the bathroom's right there. We'll check that out in a minute. You have a beautiful little organizational shelves here, which is very nice. And then the other side, you have your hanging space. You have your safe, more shelves. Cute little desk here with USB-C, USB-A, plugs. Got your phone, all your stuff. We come over, we have our beautiful king-size bed here with funky little lights. There are plugs on the side of the bed, which is really nice. So you have plugs, you have USB cables in the lamps, which is awesome. And then as we come over here, you have your TV, you have your little fridge, you have your little shelves there. And then we come back here, you do have some places to hang stuff here, which is really fun. And a very standard, really pretty bathroom here. As you can see, really nice showers. Everything there. There you go. Cabin 5195 on the beautiful NCL Luna. There's no quiz prep. You don't get any quiz prep. It's very spontaneous.
Okay.
I have no idea what I'm going to do. So.
All right.
Hey everyone, we made it on the ship. The lighting is always crazy in the room. It's going to move up a tiny bit. So we made it on the ship. I mean, I have to say, I am very critical of Norwegian's embarkation and disembarkation process at times. We got to the terminal. First of all, traffic was horrendous this morning. We got to the terminal. We had a 10 o'clock arrival. We got here about 9:50 a.m. There was no line. We walked right in the terminal, right?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. We went up. We did the security, no line. We waited about 5 minutes to do the actual check-in in the Sapphire line, but the regular lines for the normie people were good. Was easy too. The casino line was flying. And then we got our key cards. We went and we sat down maybe about 10:15, and I don't know, 10:30. We were on the ship. 10:40, something like that. Unbelievable. Craziest thing I've ever seen on Norwegian. That we were on the ship before 11 a.m., which is wild. Got on the ship. We did our muster. We went and made dining reservations. We hustled our butts to make dining reservations. We got there. We were like the second or third people in line. And then all hell broke loose.
Yes. Chaos.
Chaos ensued. But pro tip, here you go. Going to go back to my old school pro tip. 2 things. One, if you get on board and you can connect to the Wi-Fi, which we could not do. It was way too early for the Wi-Fi. But if you go to the kiosks, I can confirm, do work on Luna to do your dining reservations. We went and did them in theater, but then I checked the kiosk as soon as we came out of the theater, and those are working. So when you get on the ship, go to a floor where there's not a lot of people, hit the kiosk, and you can do your specialty dining reservations. Just need your key card to do those. And that was that. We went and had a wonderful lunch at Indulge Food Hall. Judy, I'm going to ask you a question about the Indulge Food Hall.
Okay.
How did you enjoy Indulge Food Hall?
I'm a fan. I love the system and
Yeah.
all the food. It opened at 11:30. We had our food ordered by 11:31. Our first 2 dishes arrived at 11:32, and everything was delicious. We had a good meal.
Yeah, we had as you saw, we had a little Indian. We had some tapas. We had a salad. We had a bunch of stuff, and it all came very quickly. We were out of there by 11:54, so 25 minutes for lunch, piece of cake. Indulge Food Hall is awesome. It's one of the best innovations in cruising. So that was great. Then we just wandered around. We wandered around the ship a little bit. The rooms did not open until about 1:30. Not the end of the world, but we did that. We got into the room. Everything's great in our room. As you saw, the little room tour. Super cute interior cabin. It's very pretty. Now we watched a little Jumanji, and now we are heading out for the evening. We're going to do sail away a little bit, and then we're going to do Palomar. So come with us for some Mediterranean food this evening, and we'll see you at the end of the day. Bye. Hey everyone, end of day 1 here on board of the NCL Luna. We did pretty good tonight. It's almost 10 o'clock.
What?
It's 9:30.
Oh my gosh.
We did
It's
really
amazing.
well. Yeah, we're up late. I know John from John Roll Tide is going to be disappointed we did not hang up, hang out until 2 a.m. Actually, there's nothing going on Norwegian at 2 a.m. If you're up at 2 a.m. on Norwegian, something's gone wrong. So we had a great night. We went to Palomar for dinner. Judy had the beets, which were not great. You didn't love the beets.
Didn't love the beets, but the salmon made up for it, and dessert was great.
Dessert was great. Do you remember the name of your dessert? It's Greek. It's Greek yogurt with like a phyllo dough. It was it's really good. Obviously, you saw a video of it. I had the scallops and the octopus. It was really good, and we had great bread. The bread was awesome. It's like grilled bread with fresh olive oil and some fresh oregano. And then we wandered around. We went to the arcade. We played some old school arcade games, which was fun.
John kicked my butt and Miss Pac-Man.
Played a little Miss Pac-Man. That was really fun.
It was very competitive.
Yeah, always competitive. And then we walked around the ship a lot. We went to the comedy show.
It's okay. It's okay.
You know how I feel about comedy shows. But it was... yeah, it was something. So we did that, and then we went to the casino. We went to the casino earlier, and we got wrecked. It was not fun. Just
Not a good time.
Wasn't great. And then we went back later this evening. Judy's card didn't work earlier. There was some kind of glitch in the system that they said a bunch of people's cards weren't working. Then we went back earlier. We went back later, and we played these tree games, and we crushed it. We did a good crushing, and then we're up ahead now. We're a little bit ahead, which is good. We'll take it. So day one in the books, up in the casino. That's a positive. They did change the point system in the casino. I know I talked to DC at Cruise Tubers about this as well, but they did change the system a little bit. It's not just like put all your money in and lose and hope you get a free cruise. They now have a point system just like Royal, Norwegian, Carnival, all those. 500 points gets you a $250 certificate, and I'll get the rest of them for you tomorrow. But I know 4,000 points is a free cruise, and there's something in between there that's another one. But I'll get that. I'll figure that out tomorrow. So that's it. We had a great night. We're back in the room now. We're heading to bed, and we will be up tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Eagle show in the theater, which we're very, very excited about. No more vlogs after this one. We'll just do the wrap-ups of the food and all of those different things. So come and join us for the next few days on the beautiful NCL Luna. Thanks, everyone. Have a great night. Bye.